Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Today's date is Tuesday, April 21st, 2015. I want to talk about the spiders today because we're really on a pivotal level that I need you guys to understand. Literally, we're on the cusp of either going up or down, and I'm going to show you why in this video. First of all, on the short term, you're looking at the SPY 10-minute chart, meaning that each of these candles is 10 minutes. This is the start of the day, and again, this is the current time, which is now just about to hit 3 p.m. Eastern time. Right off the bat, you're seeing a small micro bullish pattern. Notice how they sold the markets here, and then they rallied it back really quickly, and now you're making a bullish pattern. That leads me personally to believe that there's a decent shot of upside or a rally into the close. And again, it's a bullish pattern coming off a reversal to the move back up. That's a very short-term view. Now, the reason why this is such a pivotal closing hour in the markets is because you're dealing with a very key level on the daily chart. I'm going to flip over to the daily chart now. I want to show you this. Take this pivot on the daily chart, connect it through these lower pivots, okay, and what do you have here? All right, you have literally a trend line that goes right here, down. So from these two lines, hits here, right here, 1, 2, 3, hits here, pierces, and then you gap above it and close above it. Then you close above it again. Then yesterday you closed on it. And today, notice how earlier in the day you were below it. That's why you have the tail. But you're now rallying back and looks like you're going to close on it or above it. As long as the spiders stay above this trend line on a closing basis, and technically, you could make a case that they have done that since they got above here with a close above, close on or just above, and now closing on right here. As long as it closes on or above, you have to give the markets a neutral to positive bias. Do you guys see why that works? So basically, you were making lower kind of lows here, and every time you hit that, you pulled back. Well, now you hit it here, had a small pullback, bounced above, came back under, closed back on it, and now again, if you close above, I got to give the angle to the upside. And where do I think you're going to go? Not that much upside. In all fairness, you're not going to go up that much, but I do think there's a chance for about a 212 to 213 target on the SPY on the short term. But again, this trend line, look at how we are right here. I mean, literally, if I zoom in, I mean, this is crazy. We're literally on that line right now with less than an hour now to go in the trading day. That's going to be the essence of how we end here. If we close below it, I think you should go into tomorrow with a negative bias. If we close back above it, or if we close on the line, I think you got to have a positive bias. Just that simple. And again, the crazy thing about it is the upside is very minimal at this stage in the market. So, I mean, yeah, sure, you go up, 2 to 3 points on the SPY, which is like 1 to 2% max. That's your upside. If perchance you start selling off, I actually think you go straight down to these lows, and you potentially go down to the 200 moving average. I actually think there's a pretty good trend line here. Let me just zoom out here. I actually think that this wouldn't actually be a far-fetched target to see, which right now it actually is below. I mean, this would be the bigger of the sell-offs if we really started to get panicked down to about 192 to 193 on the SPY. But again, I think you need to take it just one step at a time. Let's see where this chart closes today. Again, closes on or above this downsloping line, positive bias. Closes below, a strong negative bias should be taken going into tomorrow. After hours, we have a bunch of earnings announcements today, including Amgen, including VMware, Yum Brands, Yahoo, Chipotle Mexican Grill, Broadcom. Those are all ones that will be reporting after hours. And then later this week, we have Google, we have Facebook. I mean, we have some big names reporting this week. Amazon's reporting this week. So it's going to be lots of fun. The profits continue to roll in. I just covered my SLB short. All right, guys, and check this out. It gapped up on earnings into the 200. We shorted it in the research center, and it pulled. Look at this pullback. And I just covered right here at the lows of the day. That was just a beautiful, beautiful trade. More money in the pockets of our members. My partner also covered some trades today, making more money as well. This is what it's all about, guys. I mean, bottom line is there's lots of money to be made if you know how to trade the market. Do you know how to trade the market? Are you making consistent profits day in, day out? If not, you should come to take the 7-day free trial here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. It's just that simple, folks. 7-day free trial, very easy to do. Let me show you, in fact, right here. Here's the website. And again, let me just pull it out just to give you a sense of what you're doing here. Go to here, okay? Go here, Research Center. There's trade alerts in that. And there's a 7-day free trial right here. All right, you get everything listed here. Daily analysis video I do. My partner does the daily market report video. The hot charts and alerts are daily alerts of trades that we're actually taking. You can view the track record right here. No Hype live broadcast. And again, you can subscribe now, track record, or if you have never been a member, you can take the 7-day free trial. Check out the track record. I haven't even added the new trades yet that we closed out today, but look at the percentage win rate that we've made so far this year in 2015. You can actually go all the way back to 2012. It's really a cool thing to see the track record going that far back. Spectacular reviews here as well. Take a look at the reviews on the Research Center page. You can see what our members have been saying right here. Just click on that. Goes to all the reviews here on the Research Center. You can actually check out other services too. We have all our other services right here. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, folks. The profits are here to be made. Watch that level on the spiders. It's huge. Take care.